They say you can put a value on everything. But we believe business is about more than just money, profits, and shares. It's about inspiring, nurturing, and growing. Vision, innovation, and change. The invaluable. With London Business School's executive education, you learn the invaluable not just from textbooks or in classrooms. You learn it from our world-class faculty, alongside the brightest minds in London and across the world. Learn what no organisation can afford to do without. Learn the invaluable.